Who are you without the roles that you play in your daily life? A daughter, a son, a leader, a boss, a good girl, etc. Who are you without those roles? Who are you without those masks? Who would you be if nobody expected anything from you? If you weren't a daughter, if you weren't a student, if you weren't a leader, if people expected nothing from you, who would you be? Who is left? Every single day, I've seen people wear some or the other mask. It's like an unconscious thing and unconscious decision and an unconscious role that we take upon ourselves. These roles are beautiful and necessary, but they can really confuse us as to who we really are at our core. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and let's get deep into this topic. I've seen people condition their self worth, justify their self worth, or base their self worth based on how good they are at these roles that they play on a daily basis. And that, my love, is very stupid. You're not supposed to base your self worth based on how good you're performing your role on a daily basis. Because when you base your self worth on the roles that you play on a daily basis, you condition yourself and you give yourself this limit of loving or caring for yourself or justifying your self worth. Basically, your self worth becomes conditional, and we don't level up like that. When people get really deep into these roles, they start forgetting who they really are and who they really want to be, and instead just keep focusing on how well they're performing in these roles. Basically, we get so connected to being a good daughter, to chasing that validation from our parents, or just being a good son, or being a good photographer, or being a good student, or being a good anything, that we forget that we are literally living for a performance instead of just existing and being ourselves and being who we really want to be. And this is honestly not your only problem. Society has made our minds think like this. Society has conditioned our minds to feel like if you're a good daughter, then you're a good person. If you're a good son, then you're good at this. If you're a good this, you're good at that. But that is just not true and absolutely bullshit. Another way that this performance can affect you is anger, it's frustration, it's being so freaking lost in your own life. Because when you stop performing nicely for that role, or you're just really lost as to what you want to do next or who you want to be like next, you feel so frustrated. You feel like, what am I supposed to do now? If I can't be good at this role, if I'm not enough for this particular role, then what can I do to switch my role and be good at the second role that I do in my life? I will get into how we need to stop playing these roles in life, but I think people don't talk enough about how much and how it really affects your mind. So I think these were the top two things that I wanted to list out. But I feel like there's one more thing that we can list out before we get into it. And please hold your hand while I'm saying this. But the third thing, which I feel like people don't talk about enough, is when you discover that you're not enough, or you're not made for this role, or you're not being good at playing that role. What if the role or the mask is uncovered? What if you, who you really are, is discovered? Will you feel nice? Will you feel loved? Will you feel seen if I just snatch that role away from you? Will you be okay validating yourself? Will you feel like you're good enough to live? Will you feel like you're good enough to do other things and things that you actually love? Because, see, when we're playing a role, we are conditioned to being, for example, a good student. So we do every single thing that we can to get those grades, to make our parents happy, to make society happy. People don't judge you anymore for being a bad student. But then, if that role was snatched away from you, will you be proud of the person you are without that role in your life? Or are you just focused on being a good student and not focusing on any other aspect of your life. Because trust me, I have seen people do this. People get so focused on playing a good role and doing good at whatever they're doing to the point where they forget that they're living their life as well, and they have to focus on other aspects too. So if I snatch that role away from you today, will you be proud of who you really are without it? Or are you just too focused on it to focus on anything else in your life? And not just you. Will the people around you support you as much as they're supporting you right now? For example, the good student. If you're not a good student anymore, will your friends still be your best friends? Will you still get the same amount of love and care and attention you were getting from your parents before? Will you still have like a sense of relief and a sense of proudness for yourself that, okay, even if I did not get good grades, I'm still a good person. I'm still a good person at my heart. Or I am a smart person, even though I'm not showing it by studying or getting good grades. I'm still a smart person and I know what I'm doing in life. Will you still be accepted by the people around you and by yourself if I snatch that role away from you? And to discover whether you really will be proud of yourself if I snatch the role away from you, I want you to ask these few questions to yourself before we go ahead. So just grab a notebook and a pen, or maybe just pause this video or episode and open your notes app in your phone and write the questions down along with the answers. The first is, who are you when no one is watching? What is that one thing or that one hobby that brings you joy without the need of impressing others? And lastly, if you didn't have to be anything or be a particular person for anybody else, who would you be? Who would you choose to be? And who would you love and aspire to be? I have never been like, oh, I have to be this for somebody or I have to be that for somebody. Excuse me, I will be myself for every single person in my life. If you're okay with that, you stay. If you're not okay with that, I will literally let you go with open arms. I will not stop you. Because if you can't love me for who I am, you don't deserve me. It's that simple. So stop being a particular person or doing a particular thing to impress somebody, and just be whoever the hell you are at your core and let them love you like that. You don't have to live life conditioning your mind to think what the society tells you. You are not just somebody's daughter, you're not just somebody's employee, you're not just somebody's friend, you're not just a student, you're also a human being, and you have the power of being alone. You have kindness, you're curious, you're a good person, you want to become better and you want to achieve your goals. That's why you're following my podcast. That's why you're listening to this episode in the first place. So you're not just somebody who is gonna impress others by playing roles for them or being good enough for them. You are good enough by yourself. You are your own best friend. You are your own teacher. You are gonna hold your hand till the last moment of your life. So, why would you want to waste your entire life being something or somebody for somebody else who you don't even know whether they're going to stay in your life forever or not? And trust me, you are going to be so better off when you realize that you don't need people in your life in front of whom you have to pretend to be somebody. You don't have to pretend with your real ones. You don't have to pretend to feel happy. You don't have to pretend that you're okay all the time. You don't have to pretend anything. When you find your real ones, you can absolutely be yourself and they will love you there, they will find you there, they will admire you there, and they will help you level up. So please, I think I'm going to end this episode on the note that you're enough. You don't have to be somebody's daughter all the time. You don't have to be somebody all the time. You are yourself living your life. Nobody's gonna tell you how to live your life. Nobody's gonna achieve your dreams. Nobody's gonna get those goals done for you. You're gonna do everything by yourself till the last moment of your life. Sure, people are gonna come and go. Sure, people are gonna judge you. Sure, society is gonna tell you, like, you're not a good daughter, hence you're not a good person. Hell no, that's not true. Okay, if you're not a good daughter, that might be a reason. If you're not a good student, there might be a reason. And if there's no reason, then I would suggest you should fix that then. But however, grades don't define you. Grades won't define whether you're gonna be homeless your life or whether you're gonna be a good person and make something for yourself in life. So please stop focusing so much on being a particular person or being a particular thing for somebody else. You don't have to pretend anymore. You don't have to play the role anymore. I think you can withdraw from that and be who you really want to be at your core. And that's it for this episode. I have so many exciting and nice topics coming up for you guys. We're gonna go deeper and deeper into the self development and self growth journey. So make sure that you're gonna listen to the next episode. For that, you need to check the links down below in the description for following my podcast account on Insta and Spotify and YouTube, everywhere, wherever you can listen. And yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. And if you made it so far, make sure to subscribe/follow my podcast. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I love you, regardless of who you are. It's okay if you're not good at every role you play. You don't have to be. And please take care of yourself. And I'm proud of you. And I'll see you in the next episode. Mwah. Bye.